Tamarind. Tamarind is a tropical fruit used as an addictive flavor in cooking, harvested from the brown crescent-shaped spots of the tamarind tree. The sticky pulp inside are removed from around the seeds, also known as tamarindo. Tamarind is high in tartaric acid, which adds a tart, sweet, or sour taste to dishes and drinks. Tamarind is in the legume family or Fabaceae, alongside peas, lentils, and peanuts. Indigenous to Africa, tamarind is now grown in tropical climates around the world, particularly in India, Southeast Asia, and the West Indies. The fruit comes from the tamarind tree and is cocooned inside seed pods. It has a date-like texture and is crushed to make tamarind paste or less-diluted tamarind concentrate. The fruit can also be extracted from fleshy pods or purchased in chunks. Both raw and ripe tamarind fruits are extremely used in cooking. It is used as a condiment in curries, sauces, pestos, and dips. Tamarind is also cooked with rice, fish, and meat as a central ingredient in some cuisines. In other words, tamarind finds its way into almost every kitchen. Tamarind is known for its several therapeutic properties, which includes 1. Digestion. Tamarind water is good for your digestive system due to two main reasons. For starters, it is good laxative, which means that it stimulates the bowel movement and excretion. Secondly, tamarind also has a high dietary fiber content, which helps bulk up the stool, making it easier for it to move around. As a result, your digestive system is kept clean. Moreover, with healthy and regular digestion, your stomach and other organs do not need to secrete a ton of acids and bile to break down the food. Tamarind water protects the stomach lining and can prevent pain, ulcers, and inflammations from taking place. 2. Aging process. The study clarifies that seed extract of tamarind contains botanical antioxidants, which displays anti-aging activities when applied topically. The cosmetic of W or emulsion packed with tamarind seed extracts is formulated to notice the increase in statium conium water contents. The increase in statium conium water content provides smooth look and prevents aging of skin. The decrease in cells parameters that shows antioxidants found in formulation that contains seed extract with anti-wrinkle activities. Moreover, antioxidants in formulation showed non-deleterious activities, so this formulation is known to be economical and safe to manage wrinkles. 3. Nerve function. You may be wondering how this tangy flavor juice can improve your nerve function. Tamarind has a thiamine and other B complex vitamins that improve the nerve function and maintain a reflex system. A chemical named xylodium in tamarind juice actually can help in development of the injured or damaged brain cells. Scientists believe that xylodium acts as an auxiliary skeleton through which cells transfer and retach to the central nervous system. Moreover, tamarind juice also contributes to muscle development. It would be a wise choice to include a glass of tamarind juice in your regular diet. 4. Skin benefits. Tamarind has a higher percentage of nutrients per serving along with ultra-high nutrient content, mineral content. Apart from this, fruit offers amazing skin benefits. loaded with tamarind as well as alpha-hydroxy tamarind is quite effective as an exfoliating agent and manages to lighten your skin tone. All you have to do is to pre-soak the tamarind for a few minutes, extract the pulp, and then mix it with honey and lemon before applying the mixture to your face. Leave it for 15 minutes before washing it off. This will help lighten your skin tone as well as get rid of dust and grime. Similarly, you can try the same but also use a little turmeric powder as well for additional benefits. Five, pregnancy. This delicious fruit has been used by many breeds for pregnant women against nausea, morning sickness, and overeating. Regular effects of tamarind are also another excuse for permanent management, as constipation is a common problem in most mothers. To prevent nausea, suck the fruit directly from the fruit. The taste may be bitter and difficult to pass, so it is recommended to cook it a bit. 6. Weight loss. Ironically, it is efficient in preventing diabetes and promoting weight loss despite its high sugar and calorie content. When taken in moderation, tamarind helps to lower high blood sugar levels in the blood as it contains blood glucose lowering and carb fighting properties. It also helps to deactivate and inhibit the activities of an enzyme called amylase, which is responsible for the absorption and storing of carbohydrates in the body as fats. In effect, it helps to lower blood sugar levels and has an effect in weight loss. Also, tamarind has absolutely no fat content and helps to prevent binge eating by balancing the serotonin levels, which is a neurotransmitter that affects mood control.